Hi, so meron ako ditong definite integral sample. So, gagawin natin, kukumpitin natin siya manually. And next natin kukumpitin through calculator techniques. So, compute natin siya. So, integral of x squared from 0 to 3. So, integral ng x squared, gamitan lang natin siya ng power rule. So, nagiging x cubed over yung kanyang exponent, 3. So, from 0 to 3. 0 to 3. So, ang gagawin, sa substitute lang natin itong mga values na to dun kay x. Unahin natin itong value na to. Itong 3. So, 3 cubed over 3 minus 0 cubed over 3. Pagka hindi natin 3 cubed, it's 27. 27 over 3 minus 0 cubed is 0. So, wala na siya. 0 divided by 3, 0. So, wala na yan. So, 0. Magiging 27 over 3, it's 9. So, yun yung sagot. Okay, so sa calculator techniques naman, ano lang natin. Tapos gawin natin in radian itong calculator. So, shift mode, itong 4. Pindutin natin itong 4. So, radian na siya. Ang gagawin is ito. Pindutin itong integral sign na yan. And type yung ating equation. X squared from 0 to 3. So, equals lang yan. Equals, so that is 9. Yun lang.